I meant to tape you from over there. It's after school. I'm picking up Azam and Mazen. There's Amira. All right, let's go in and get Mazen. There's Aisha. No tutoring today?
No.
All right, let's go in and get Mazen.
You are really loving that.
Flock.
Sam, what's that pose? Show the camera the pose. Show the camera what you were doing. Thank you.
Thank you. Alright, get Mazen. Where is he? Uh-oh.
Where'd he go?
I don't know.
They're all in that room, I think.
Oh, alright, hold mirror for a second. Where's Mazen? Not in here. Let's see.
The mouse stepped across and left behind the trail of the footprints. So if you look at that, he stepped on the notepad. He stepped on the notepad and he left footprints. Good morning, Mrs. Forrester said to Tom when he arrived early the next day. Did you bring some ideas for a story we could work on together? Not yet.
There's gonna be Kosai here? Yep. That's so awesome. Are there gonna be animals or
Tomorrow.
science?
Kosai on wheels.
Oh.
Get your book bag in your jacket. No.
Why do you like that thing a lot?
Because Grandma and Grandpa like to watch videos of you guys.